May isa nga makagapu karuban no apay adit tuyak nga mangliwliwa kada kayo ket adamit kabsat kong OFW for more than 20 years. Second year high school ag iti pinadas na tinagubra dita ket ingana tata dita pay laeng. Ket isunti nang papintas ti biag may, isunti nang paadal kanyak, iso nga amok tirik na dagiti mapanpanawan, kas kadagiti pinanpanawan yung met nga pamilya dito Pilipinas. Ket kaduan dakman nga ron nga mangkablao kinimanang ko, Ate Fel, happy birthday to you on this 24th day of September. Ayan. Ket abangan nyo, into Norabii, September 24, agkaroon kami iti live shows over live streaming para kinimanang ko. Ayan. Ket padasi ka invitan dagiti gagayem kakaanakak nga ag-perform together with the Afodeka duo inton bigat tirabii. So watch out for that. Once again, ate, malagip mo siguro din nga song para king ka. Remember this song, ate? See the tree, how big it's grown. But friend, it hasn't been too long. It wasn't big. I laughed at her and she got mad. The first day that she planted it was just a twig. Then the first snow came and she ran out to brush the snow away so it wouldn't die. Came running and all excited, slipped and almost hurt herself, and I laughed till I cried. She was always young at heart, kinda dumb and kinda smart, and I loved her so. And I surprised her with a puppy, kept me up all Christmas Eve 2 years ago. And it would sure embarrass her when I came in from working late, 'cause I would know that she'd been sitting there and crying over some sad and silly late show. And honey, I missed you, and I'm being good, and I love to be with you. If only I could. She wrecked the car and she was sad and so afraid that I'd be mad. But what the heck? Though I pretended hard to be, guess you could say she saw through me and hugged my neck. I came home unexpectedly and caught her crying needlessly in the middle of the day. And it was in the early spring, when flowers bloom and robins sing, she went away. And honey, I missed you, and I'm being good, and I love to be with you. If only I could. One day while I was not at home, while she was there and all alone, the angels came. Now all I have is memories of honey, and I wake up nights and call her name. Now my life's an empty stage where honey lived and honey played and love grew up. A small cloud passes overhead and cries down on the flower bed that honey loved. And see the tree, how big it's grown. But friends, it hasn't been too long, it wasn't big. I laughed at her and she got mad. The first day that she planted it was just a twig. And honey, I missed you, and I'm being good.